Right, hello and welcome to the latest video from B-Tucker Videos, and today I am at Stapleton Road, which is on the Severn Beach line, and also at points where on the main line between Bristol Temple Meads and Bristol Parkway, where cross-country services run through as well, and other services as well. So today here at Stapleton Road we'll be seeing services from Great Western Railway and passes only from cross country. So I should also say that I'm joined by quite a load of people who are, as I say, are joining me. If I remember, I'll put all their channel names into the description below. So please do check out all their channels. So anyway, without further ado, let's get started, shall we? Let's get started here at Stapleton Road. Right, coming in now is the delayed 12:50 service to Bristol Parkway from Weston-super-Mare. I think it's 166206. Yes, it is 166206 on the delayed 12:50 service to Bristol Parkway. Calling now after here, Hilton Abbey Wood and Bristol Parkway. Right, departing out now is 166206 with a delayed service to Bristol Parkway. And then
that's calling at Hilton Abbey Wood and Bristol Park.
And then in a moment or two we'll be seeing a passing service as well, which is this one from Portsmouth Harbour to Cardiff Central, but that's in a moment.
Passing now is a cross-country service. Sorry, Ben. 22024 and it's passing to Bristol Temple Meads from Manchester Piccadilly.
You're saving that you saved me having to do any commentary myself.
You do it anyway.
Please, thank you.
Right, passing through here is a cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly. (220.002). That's originating from Bristol Temple Meads. Right, passing through now is a service from Portsmouth Harbour to Cardiff Central. 158960. Passing through there 66084 and 66087. Right, passing through now is a double pairing of 800s, which is heading to Swansea from London Paddington. 800.021. And 800.027. (800.021) and 800.027 heading for Swansea from London Paddington.
Johnny, smile.
Right, coming in now, we've got the delayed 12:58 service to Bristol Temple Meads from Avonmouth, which is a stopping service. It's 166208. Already more like 15 or 16 minutes late already. And then we've had a pass to Paddington from Swansea in a moment, which I thought was going to come in before this one, but obviously not. Right, coming through now, we have a passing service to Portsmouth Harbour, originating from Cardiff Central. 158956. 158956 heading for Portsmouth Harbour from Cardiff Central. Right, coming in here we've got a turbo which is on the 1321 service to Severn Beach, 166208. And coming in the other way is the 1328 service to Frome from Gloucester, which I'll just sneak in here. 166208 to Severn Beach, 166215 to Frome.
Stopping here as well, right?
Yeah, it's Gloucester Frome.
Oh, it is, yeah. Okay, right. Thank you, Oliver. I'll put the camera back.
Right, departing out now is the 1328 Great Western Railway service to Frome from Gloucester. One 166215. 166215 heading to Frome from Gloucester on the 1328 departure. Right, passing through now, I think it's a service to Cardiff Central from Taunton.
It's very close to being the joint worst.
What's the joint worst? What's the worst? What? Passing through.
It's 166211. On 6211 heading to Cardiff Central from Taunton. Right, coming in now, or passing through even, is a cross-country service to Glasgow Central from Newquay. Formed of a double pairing. Forms of 220-007 and 221-137. Double 07 and 137 heading to Glasgow Central from Newquay. Right, passing through now is a cross-country HST 43384 on the front, and this is a service from Edinburgh to Paignton, and on the rear is 43301. That's on the 43384 and 43301 on Edinburgh to Paignton, passing here at Stapleton Road. Right, coming in here is the delayed 1340 service to Bristol Temple Meads from Avonmouth. 166-212 is a unit on this service. Right, passing through now, we have a Great Western Railway service to Taunton from Cardiff Central, 166-214. That's meandering through behind the other 166, which we just saw come in. Right, coming through now is a passing service 220-017, and that's a service to Bristol Temple Meads from Manchester Piccadilly, where it originated. Right, coming in here 15261 with a service to Bristol Parkway from Weston-super-Mare, the delayed 1351 service. Right, departing out here 15261 with a delayed 1351 service to Bristol Parkway. Departing out about 11 or 12 minutes late. Let me just... yeah, about 12 minutes late. That's departing out. Yeah, and probably with that I'm going to end my video from Stapleton Road here. So if you have liked what you've seen here at Stapleton Road, then please do like and subscribe. Please leave any comments below, because I'll get back to them as and when I can. Any recommendations are welcome, so please do leave them in the comments. And also, if you have any points that you have liked about the video and any points that you may not have liked, then please do let me know. Stapleton Road is a decent enough station. Certainly nowhere near the best station I've been to, but Bristol Temple Meads has to be one of the best. Stapleton Road, if I'm being honest, probably one of the worst I've actually been to. Lawrence Hill isn't great either, but at least that has a few more things around it that actually makes it a bit better than Stapleton Road. So probably of the three stations today, Bristol Temple Meads easily the best station. Second would probably be Lawrence Hill, and third Stapleton Road. My next station, the next station in the Wandering series would be at Penbury and Bury Port. And finally, for final episodes of series 2 would be from Carmarthen, before I restart with series 3 towards the end of June. Passing through here is the service to Manchester Piccadilly. (220-024) passing through from Manchester, coming from Temple Meads. So as that passes through, I definitely will end my video from Stapleton Road here. As I say, my next station would be Penbury and Bury Port, before I end series 2 of the Wandering series at Carmarthen. Series 3 would probably start up again at series 3 would start towards the end of June. So I'll probably try and do something between between the Carmarthen video, between that going up and before the start of Series 3, to let you know some sort of rough plan for what I'm planning to do. Anyway, but in the meantime, thank you everyone for watching my video from Stapleton Road. See you all at Penbury and Bury Port. In the meantime, cheerio.